beauties, welcome back to my channel. I am back with a nail video. So we're doing nails today. This video is very different because we are working with a polygel kit. So this company goes by the name of Ohuhu, Ohuhu Beauty, and this polygel kit is everything. So for starters, you get 8 regular colors and 4 temperature changing colors, so you get variety. Along with that, you get 4 glitters that you can mix into your polygel, which will give you your own custom color. So everything that you need to complete a full set is in this kit. I'm talking a nail file, you get your cuticle pusher, as well as a pair of nippers. You also get a fingernail clip. Along with that, you get your tool to apply the polygel, which is the brush. Everything in this kit, I have to add, is of good quality. It's not like the cheapy stuff. It's actually really good. The brush is actually dual-sided. One side is a brush and the other side is a spatula. You get your slip solution, which I'm showing you here. You also get base coat, top coat, and you get nail forms. So you can do polygel a few different ways. There are a few different methods. Some people like the forms. I went ahead and I used tips because I just didn't want to take the chance of messing it up, and I'm glad I used the tips because I love the way this set came out. This is like one of my favorite sets. So here I'm going to swatch the colors for you, which I felt was really important because the packaging doesn't do it justice. These are the colors. So pretty, like absolutely love these colors. So I decided to use one color, and here I'm just going to prep my nails, and this is just what I would do. This is just what I would do on a regular basis, even if I was doing acrylics. I'm just gonna push my cuticles back and scrape up any of the dead skin along the nail bed. Buff all the shine away and file down any of those rough, jagged edges. So as I stated, I decided to use nail tips. I will have everything that I used linked down in the description box. So if any of you are interested, be sure to check the description box. I really do like these tips because they're like a long stiletto. So to achieve the shape that I love, which is like ballerina or coffin, more so ballerina, I just clip the tip of the stiletto off. As you can see, I just literally clip the tip. So my shape is already there. So it's easier to file at the end. I don't have to do excessive filing because we are already together. So after I do this, I'm going to go ahead and apply that base coat. It's not really necessary to apply the base coat to the artificial nail, or the tip rather, but you want to make sure that your nail bed is covered with the base coat, and then you just want to cure that for about 60 seconds under your LED lamp. So it's very important to use this LED lamp because in order for polygel to cure, unlike acrylic or set rather, you need that light. So now we're ready to apply the polygel. I'm not going to talk through the entire video. I just wanted to let y'all know what I'm doing. So one thing that I noticed about the polygel is it's very easy to work with this product. Their consistency is on point because it was very easy for me to use this product, especially for the first time. So I'm just going to go ahead and I'm going to try some different methods. Like at one point I tried to squeeze out enough polygel to cover the whole entire length of the nail, and then at another point I did like the 1 bead 2 bead method. So it's all about figuring out what works for you.
Cheap.
that's about it. And then I go ahead and I add some bling. I just have to say I love this set. I love it, and I love this kit. So my next nail video will be another polygel video because there's a pink color in here that I need to use it. Like, it screams Barbie, okay? So that basically is it. But before I wrap up this voiceover part, I wanted to let you guys know, if you made it this far in the video, you are a real one, because I am going to do a giveaway. So how to win this is, I need you to have an Amazon account, and I need you to go to the link in the description box and put this on your wish list. Once you put this on your wish list, I want you to like this video, share this video, and comment down below, Joe, we did it. So comment down below, Joe, we did it, after you've added this to your Amazon cart, you've liked this video, and you shared this video, okay? I want to have this done before Christmas. So you adding it to your wish list, that allows me to ship it directly to you. You get what I'm saying? So by next week, I'll have this open for a week. I will come back and announce the winner. That way I can just have it shipped to you. And I really hope you enjoy this kit as much as I did. Don't forget to stay to the end of this video, because the bling on these nails, baby. But I want to thank you beauties for watching, and until next time.
Made a couple racks, I never asked how she did it. City girls like to have fun in the city.